Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I did a thing to my journal and I'm going to show you. I stamped the cover. Is this crazy or is this cool? I saw somebody do this on Instagram and I was like, oh, that's really cool, but yeah, I don't know. I don't have that sort of faith in I don't know, the permanence of certain things. So I will make this disclaimer. I take no responsibility for what you do to your journals and journal covers. I did this on a very inexpensive journal cover that I bought from Amazon years ago. And I just decided to go for it. And now I'm super excited about how this turned out. So what I did was I had this white stamp pad which had like no ink left to it. It was all dried up. So I just bought a new white refill, but I bought an opaque white. I think that's the difference because this was sort of like it's like a sheer white, and I don't think it would have shown up on the leather the way I wanted it to. So I just bought this little liquid refill bottle for, I don't know, maybe whatever. It was on Amazon. You could Google that. And I refilled the stamp pad. Now, this is super thick and opaque, so you do have to, you know, squirt it on and then, you know, spread it around with your finger or whatever. I don't want to get dirty right now. You know, just to make sure that the entire surface is covered. And then I just stamped my stamp pad and I totally went for it. And I love it. So if you could see, this is sort of like a blue-green leather. I'm just gonna try to show you some of the color in the pull-up. And that's how it turned out. I still need to figure out how to cover it so that this doesn't like flake off or wear off or rub off. I mean, so far so good right now, but if anybody has any thoughts, ideas, or knowledge of, you know, what I can use to, you know, more permanently, yeah, make it more permanent, please comment below, let me know. And another option for leather was, I know Seaweed Kisses did a whole video, I don't know, maybe like 2 weeks ago. I'll link her video down below about DIY projects with leather from Michaels. And I had gone there to pick up this leather for a different project that I'm working on. And so these sheets are on, well, they're not on sale. They're like, maybe it was like $14 or something. But then Michaels always has, you know, super coupons and stuff. And if you have the app, save your points, blah, blah, blah. So, you know, you might want to experiment on an inexpensive, you know, piece of leather, or even if you have any of those leather samples that, you know, you may have purchased from, you know, different leather companies, you know, try practicing on that first. But yeah, I totally love this. I did make a mistake on the back cover. I pressed another little stamp into it, but this stamp is, it's the stamp itself that's kind of wonky. So this one wasn't a great stamp. So I'm just going to take a really thin paintbrush and try to feather out some leaf strokes on here to fix that. But I don't know, I thought it was cute, a different way to you know, decorate our journal covers. So that is it. That's all I used. So thanks so much for watching, guys. Take care. Bye.